Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the car actually supports manual shifting. Look for a plus/gate, M mode, or paddle shifters. The manual explains specifics. Once done, park with the brake engaged, start the engine, and locate the shifter or paddles so your hands know where to go. Make sure you can see the gear indicator and tachometer clearly. You will use them to guide shifts and avoid hitting the rev limiter. Now, move the shifter or press the M button to enter manual mode. Once in manual, confirm the dash shows a gear number and not D. That tells you the transmission accepts your inputs. You upshift with plus or the right paddle and downshift with or the left paddle. Press firmly, but not violently. You do this while watching RPM. Shift up before the red line and downshift earlier if you need acceleration. Make smooth, deliberate inputs. This helps the transmission and keeps the car stable. If it hesitates, back off and try a gentler command. To finish, shift back to D or press the automatic return button and confirm the dash shows drive. That hands control back to the transmission. Once done, test drive slowly to ensure shifts are smooth and RPM transitions feel normal. If something goes wrong, gear won't engage or you see warning lights, pull over safely, restart the engine, and recheck. If the issue persists, check transmission fluid level and condition, then scan for codes or visit a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.